Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer battered fish. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh, firm white fish, like cod or haddock, cut into uniform pieces. You'll also need all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a light-bodied beer for the batter. Having everything prepped before you start frying will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. We'll cover each step to ensure your fish is perfectly crispy and delicious. To begin, pat your fish pieces thoroughly dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps the batter adhere better and prevents a soggy result. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a generous pinch of salt. Gradually pour in about 1½ cups of very cold beer, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and contribute to a lighter, crispier batter. Now it's time to fry. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each piece of fish into the prepared batter, ensuring it's fully coated, then let any excess drip off. Gently place the battered fish into the hot oil, frying in small batches to avoid overcrowding the pot. Cook for approximately 4 to 6 minutes, or until the fish is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once your fish is perfectly golden, carefully remove it from the hot oil and place it on a wire rack set over paper towels to drain any excess oil. Immediately sprinkle with a little sea salt to enhance the flavor. Serve your crispy beer battered fish hot, accompanied by fresh lemon wedges, a creamy tartar sauce, or a splash of malt vinegar. This dish pairs wonderfully with chips, coleslaw, or a fresh green salad for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.